7 ways to gain healthy weight for skinny people. Gaining weight can be a challenge for some people, especially for those who are naturally skinny. Being underweight can cause health problems such as malnutrition, weak immune system, and bone fractures. However, gaining healthy weight is possible with the right nutrition strategies and habits. Here are some tips and tricks to gain weight safely and effectively. 1. Go nutrient-dense. Eat foods that are rich in nutrients. Consider high-protein meats, which can help you to build muscle. Also, choose nutritious carbohydrates, such as brown rice and other whole grains. 2. Add healthy calories. Increase calories by adding nut or seed toppings, cheese, and healthy side dishes. Try almonds, sunflower seeds, fruit, or whole grain, wheat toast. 3. Drink your calories. Instead of beverages like diet sodas, coffee, and tea, reach for milk, juice, or a smoothie with full-fat dairy and fresh fruits or vegetables. 4. Eat frequently. Eating every 3 hours is one of the first steps toward healthy weight gain. 5. Go for variety. Eat at least 3 different types of food groups at each meal. 6. Eat mini meals. If you're struggling with a poor appetite due to medical or emotional issues, eating large amounts of food may not seem appealing. Consider eating smaller meals throughout the day to increase your calorie intake. 7. Strength training. Exercise can also improve your appetite and help you build muscle. So consider strength training to help you gain weight. 8. Be patient. Gaining weight takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep up with your healthy habits and you will eventually see progress. In conclusion, gaining healthy weight for skinny people is possible with the right nutrition strategies and habits. Go nutrient-dense, add healthy calories, drink your calories, eat frequently, go for variety, eat mini meals, strength train, and be patient. With these tips and tricks, you can gain weight safely and effectively.